How to get iQIYI VIP subscription. So to get the iQIYI VIP subscription, then first check your internet connection, and then you can open up the iQIYI application. And once you're here, you can go for the VIP, which is on the upper right. Click on the VIP and it will take you to the VIP subscription page. So from here, you will have two options. You can have the monthly subscription, which is of $7.89, or you can take the yearly subscription, which is of $79.11. Or you can choose the premium version, or you can choose the standard version, any one of that. So here, if you scroll down, you will have this VIP privileges where you can watch on two devices, or you can have the HD version, advanced viewing, VIP content download, VIP skip ads. You can skip the ads, and then you can watch anywhere, anytime with blockbusters and Dolby Cinema. So you can have all of these. So if you want to have this, you can simply tap on renew now, which is on the bottom of your screen, and then you can start that by adding your payment. So you can add your credit card or your debit card, and once you've added that, you can simply pay that through your Play Store or by adding your debit or credit card. And once you've added, you can pay, and once you've paid, you will get the VIP subscription. So that's it. That's how you can get the VIP subscription on iQIYI application, on iQIYI account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.